Welcome to the Cascade Cemetery. Today on GeoJoy's Adventures, we're going to go look for a multi-cache in a cemetery. First things first, we got to go find, look at that power back there, we got to go find the first part of our multi-cache. I think I tracked it down already. It's right here behind me. Check this thing out. This is the coolest thing. Love this lighting. It is a warm one today. There we go. Boom. There it is. That's the first part. All I have to do is answer a question off of this tombstone right here, which is quite unique, and I can track down a geocache. So let me go see what that tombstone says. What do you want on your tombstone? Pepperoni and pineapple. Hey, I think I have an idea. It's really hard to read that tombstone there, but I think I have an idea where the geocache just might be located. So I'm gonna go check it out because I kind of see it in my view right now. So I'm gonna go look and see if my idea was right. But on the way over there, I'm gonna check out this one's quite interesting. Check this one out. Here, check it out. Alright, here's the location of my first hunch. Didn't work out, so I gotta try again. Alright, let me go look some more. And I figured it out. I had to put the keyword in, and book, voila! It gives me the coordinates to the geocache. So now all I gotta do is go find it, but here, let me show you around real quick, and then we'll go find that geocache. Guess what? Voila! There's the cache. That was a fun little multi. Just come getting caches done. Trying to get those souvenirs for those mythical creatures. With that, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give it a like. And I will see you guys later on. Have fun on your adventures.